Hi everyone and welcome to KRYPTALK, that Irish guy that talks about Bitcoin. So today, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, confirmed that Tesla have bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. And of course, the Bitcoin responded by hitting a new, fresh, all-time high. Let's get started. This is episode number 33, and the title of this episode is Elon Musk Bought Bitcoin. Quick look at the charts. Okay folks, let's get the basics out of the way. This is the Kraken chart. These are all daily candles and Bitcoin is trading at $43,538. At its peak today, it topped out at $44,800, just under $44,800. Let's have a quick look at what I said in yesterday's episode, which was there on the 29th of January, and you're looking for a target of 44,700. Now, if Bitcoin hits that target, first of all, three things have to happen. One, obviously, it has to break its previous all-time high of 42,000. If it does that, you're going to get that little rush of FOMO again. It'll push up a bit higher. If it hits that target, then that's basically 45,000. Again, I think that's going to be a catalyst for FOMO, and people are going to FOMO into the market, the retail FOMO, and what even's happening now at the moment with the institutional FOMO. I think if it hits $45,000, if it hits this target, $50,000 is as good as claimed. Okay, so this pink triangle here, this pink triangle represents a falling wedge pattern. So it has hit that target. It's hit my target from yesterday's episode. This is going to $50,000. It is happening. It's going to happen this month. It might happen this week. Of course, this is not financial advice, but that is what I think is going to happen. Let's just take a quick look at the RSI. Now, although Bitcoin is currently trading over this green support line, it's also currently trading over the EMA ribbon on the daily. The RSI is 71.51%. It's crawling up into that overbought territory. It doesn't mean as soon as it hits this, it collapses, but the more time it spends up there and the more it extends, it's a sign that Bitcoin is overextended and a correction can be due. Okay, I've switched to the 1 hourly candle. So remember, all these candles represent 1 hour of trading. Just take a look at this candle here from a few hours back. So it's from 12 to 1. So if you have a look there, like what was that? In 1 hour, it went up just under $4,000. That's a 10% increase. Now, what I'm looking at as well, the RSI is, that's not too bad. It's just a little overextended at 72.36. This one I'm looking at here, this looks like another, it could be a, look, these are shorter time frames. This is a 1 hour time frame. You really have to, like a lot of things in life, you have to take a step back and look at the bigger picture to see what's actually happening. It's a long-term trend that I'm concerned with. That's why I'm here. That's why I have this channel. That's why I invest in it. But if you look at the short term, short-term trends can then trickle into, like, say, the hourly, the 4 hourly, the daily, and so on. Then you could end up in a bear trend for a year. But look, that is not the function or the point of today's video. Take a look at this. It does look like we're putting in some sort of a bullish pennant. So you have a high point, a lower high, a lower high. You have a low point, and then, like, we haven't any points of contact here. So this might not be a bullish pennant. Bullet pennants typically do break to the upside. I'll just do a quick calculation just to see. So I just go from the height there to there, and if it was to break out right now, then you're looking at a target of drag this down a small bit, you're looking at a target of 46,800. Look, I think $50,000 is, as nothing's a cert, it can't be a cert, but I think it's nearly there. I think it's going to happen. I'm just going to say it. I just think it's going to happen. Okay, now another way of looking at this though is, and it might actually be more accurate, if we switch and we go to, say, this wick here, and then this close in this candle body, and here. So here you have this kind of a bearish candle, and then you have a bullish candle here again. So you could be looking at that. It could be a small kind of a mini descending triangle. So they typically do break down. So you look at kind of a very mini Bart Simpson pattern here. The Bart Simpson patterns are hilarious. Only really happens in Bitcoin, I think. Goes up, down, up, maybe something like this, and then don't have a cowabunga and all that jazz. Yeah, look, that's it for the charts for today. So this is the article by The Guardian. Now, this is everywhere today. I could have got this from anywhere. The dogs on the street are talking about this today. And the headline reads, Tesla buys $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, pushing the price to a new high. This is a historic day for Bitcoin. I said it before, this is the most important piece of news that we've seen since Bitcoin's inception. So Tesla disclosed the Bitcoin holding in a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission on Monday. The company said it had, quote, updated our investment policy to provide us with more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns, to allow it to invest cash reserve in alternative reserve assets, including digital assets. The total amount, 1.5 billion US dollars. So the next time you are at a party and someone says to you, yeah, Bitcoin, you can't buy a cup of coffee with it. You can buy a Tesla with it, and watch the dominoes fall. Apple, Amazon, Netflix, everyone. They're all going to start to fall now. They're all going to start to invest in. You just wait and see. Okay, folks, that's the end of this episode. And I just want to take this opportunity to say a massive congratulations to anyone out there holding Bitcoin right now. This was a historic day for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So if you're watching this video right now and you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. And as usual, Schlancha. Bye 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 bye.